Mera Chongwa festival celebrates with religious fervor and gaiety across the state, attended by both Hills and Valley residents. A memorandum of intent to build mutual business cooperation in cooperative sectors was signed between Corporation Minister Nimcha Kipgen and Secretary of Republic of Bangladesh Mohammad Gayasuddin Ahmad. And indefinite ban called by residents and Kuki CSOs of Moray against the frequent bomb blast by unknown miscreants at Moray town resumes from 9 this morning. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Lightning Monica with the latest news updates. Mera Chongwa festival is being celebrated with religious fervor and gaiety across the state today. State-level organizing committee on Mera Chongwa celebrated Mera Chongwa festival at Kangla today. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin says that the state is in a disarray due to lack of understanding and communication among the various communities of the state. He asserted that the various communities of the state have stood by together since time immemorial. Biren maintained that the state will be peaceful and prosperous if the various communities of the state supports and cooperate with each other. He said that efforts are made to include the various age-old traditional festivals of the state in the school syllabus. Leaders of the state, including many people from various districts of both Hill and Valley regions, civil society organizations, student organizations, and many people took part in the event. Presentation and exchange of gifts among the people of various communities highlighted the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯡꯕ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯤꯛ ꯊꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯌꯥꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤꯟ ꯁꯥꯖꯤꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯏꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯤꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯆꯤꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯃꯆꯤꯜ ꯃꯅꯥꯎꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯦꯔꯥꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯌꯨꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥ ꯌꯨꯡꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯅꯦꯜꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯎꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯈꯪꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯒꯦꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯤꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯥꯀꯟ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗ ꯊꯩꯔꯒ ꯊꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯦꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯅꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯄꯇꯥꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯇꯦꯛꯁ ꯊꯤꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯩꯗ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯅꯦꯅ ꯃꯨꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯣꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯍꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ.
Akomlob Kanglei Park also organized the 19th Mera Chongwa festival on the theme Lining Londa Chingmi Tammi Manei Chingtam Punna Chatminariba Si Thakta Ipa Ipu Tinarambadagini today. Speaking on the occasion, President in charge of Akomlob Kanglei Park, Sanjeet Soraisam, says the festival celebrated since time immemorial is an important traditional festival of the state left by our forefathers. He stressed the need to preserve and to enlighten the importance of the festival to the upcoming generations. He asserted that the festival marks peace, solidarity and unity among various indigenous communities of the state.
lamdam asida numitsina lakpada punna khundaminariba yelhomi ichilinau khudingmaki mafamda ayhaki maikaidagi yaifa paujel pijabaga loinana ingtappa machin manau oibagi amatta oibagi thauna liching amaga loinana aikhoi punna amatta oibagi liching makhada punna hinginariba asida aikhoi punna lepminasi haiba tongan ba nakandagi sorou langda aikhoi machet tha tana thugaina bu honariba singdagi aikhoi mikup nahum singna lepminarakanda Mera Chongwagi thorom asina lakpada aikhoi punna lepminaraga hairiba sing adubu thengnaminasi.
Attending the event, public leader of Humi Dankul, Manipur, Dr. Dharama Singh Kasung said that the Mera Chongwa celebration portrays the unity and love between the hill and valley residents of the state. Maintaining that at some point there were dissociations between the hills and valley residents of the state, he asserted that nowadays the relationship has once again restored. Dharma Singh also urged the need for cooperation among ourselves to organize such ancestral festival and to revive the lost affection and unity. Attendees of the event also enjoyed a meal together. Various organizations, civil society organizations from both Hill and Valley took part in the event.
Sanjidas ko sai lakbadigi jingmi dami shi mange shenge khotle haibagi wofam shi lakbadigi akhoi jingmi dami haina khaiki akhoi hausinga madaisinga majin manawni tangkhunna ahanni maidaina atombani haibale masida mabani shi amana jingda laikhibanina amana tamda laikhibani mabani shi kadamaina majin manaw yam nungsinaramba aduna shiba naba khangwa hadana kadamaina khangshige haina majin naw khannerga adudi mirathada ai mai thangkhatke tambakdagi haire mayambanadi jingmai thaba haibisi kaindorga ijininaوgi nungsiba ai inaw nungsi hingli haibdu su khangninga.
A memorandum of intent (MOI) to build mutual business cooperation, mainly in cooperative sectors between Manipur and Bangladesh, was signed between Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipgen and Secretary of Republic of Bangladesh Mohammad Ghiasuddin Ahmad today. The MOI was signed at the valedictory occasion of India International Cooperatives Trade Fair IICTF 2019. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Nemcha Kipgen said that the MOI will definitely expand and open wide scopes for the Manipur cooperatives to spread its trade to the other neighboring countries in the future. The indefinite ban called by Kuki civil society organizations against the frequent bomb blast by unknown miscreants at Moray town resumed from 9 this morning. It may be mentioned that the indefinite ban was relaxed from last midnight till 9 a.m. today. Business and commercial activities between Moray and Imphal resumed during the short-hour relaxation of the ban. However, passengers from Imphal to Moray had to travel on foot from Moray College after the ban resumed after 9 a.m. The ban since last night greatly crippled normal life in Moray town and business activities came to a standstill. A team led by Technopal District Police SP D.H. Vikramjit met with leaders of Hill Tribal Council Moray to call off the ban, but to no avail.
We therefore make this sheltered demand to the government for immediate action and immediate investigation over the 3 bomb blasts that occurred in Moray by constituting team of investigation, preferably by NIA or CBI, in order that the culprits who were involved in the blast may be booked.
Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar inaugurated a Youth Employed Solution Yes Charitable Healthcare and Research Center at Uripo Khaidem Lekai Maning Leirak today. Speaking at the inaugural function, Yes proprietor Larry Kiengbam Anantakumar says that the healthcare was opened with an aim to solve the unemployment issues in the state to some extent. He asserted that the healthcare will provide free ambulance services, free medicine delivery and home nurse service facilities to people. Anantakumar further stated that the Healthcare and Research Center will specialize in pediatrics and skin diseases. He also maintained that the center was also opened to enhance the medical facilities in the state to an extent.
Youth employment solution naibani ana sisina koigi paisa khatagi natabada angang nipu myang khaim so thabak pi bangamani aduga loinana agi koigi haksang narak yeklakpa haibisida service samasu pi bangamnaba na sigi pandamda hangdok sabani.
Yelhomi Healthcare Private Limited and Hope Foundation jointly organized a free medical camp at Khongampat Mantri Laikai today. The camp is first of its kind, being opened with an aim to treat patients without treatment charges and charged only for the medications. Managing Director of Yelhomi Healthcare Private Limited, Shurjit Ningthaujam said that the hospital called Yelhomi Hospital will be opened at Khongampat Mantri Laikai, which will provide free treatment except for the medication charges. He asserted that the 50-bedded hospital will start functioning starting November 1. Surjit further maintained that the hospital will jointly run by Yelhomi Healthcare Private Limited along with Hope Foundation. Around 250 people were treated in the medical camp.
Normally, bill-less hospital hai bill yaudaba hospital. Koi kana gumba anaba mana thama changna layeng hai raga su layeng bagi mamman se mana karim lupa tara dang leire hai raga di lupa tara do adum piraga yar lupa yang khilere piraga adum layeng baya ba hospital ne aduga koina healthcare industry da ngasi gi matam da koi gi business oina unarak ba asi koina yamna laibak thibani hai bagi logjaraga example ama oiba hai tare koi gi hospitals nata clinic sing se koi gi temples mandir gumba ama oina mayamna longnana ba business ki business ne khanaramba pot ado tokthooga mandir ne longnaraknabagi model amane makadana khungangi arap jaga da khoi ngasi healthcare gi mangal ning thina phangdriba jaga sing sida ano hospital sing hangnabagi planning le.
CJ City Dental Hospital, Manipur's first private multi-specialty dental hospital, organized a free medical camp in association with Konjeng Hazari Lekai Youth Development Club at the hospital in Kaisampat today. Many people were checked up during the camp held from 9 a.m. till 3 p.m. Concessions were also provided during major dental procedures and laboratory investigation.
Kashambat Sagar Road sida akoina CJ City Dental Hospital team galoina health dental ke mama pangtutari mafam asida angang dagi hona ahan bokda koina free da loina yengjari ngasi ke masi Konjeng Hazari Lekai Youth Development Club kusana na pangtuk sabani mathang tabada su club asiga kusamna na amuka makhata na pangtuk saba ngamna bo khonajars.
A combined team of Thobal Commando and 6 Assam Rifles apprehended an individual along with armaments last night around 7:30. The miscreant is 38-year-old Mohammad Riazuddin, alias Tomba, son of Mohammad Basiruddin from Lilong Turel Ahanbi Mayai. The team, led by Thobal Commando Unit OC Inspector and Sadananda under the overall supervision of Thobal District Police SP Dr. S. Bomcha, arrested Riazuddin from Lilong Bazar. Upon interrogation, the team recovered 2 AK rifles with 1 magazine each, 1 9mm pistol along with magazine from him. A case has been registered against him and investigations are underway. Indigenous Peoples Association of Kangleipak IPAG urged the authorities concerned to award befitting punishments to the drug peddlers arrested from the state by Manipur police at the earliest. The association also expressed its unfortunate over the state government for failing to address the water crisis issues facing the people of the state due to scanty rainfall this year. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on medical, self-defense and health awareness camp being held as part of the 4th Maitei Chanu Contest 2019. Keep watching Impact News. President of Popular Front of India, PFI Manipur State, Maulana Wahidur Rahman, launched a national health campaign by flagging off a marathon from Irong Chesaba Makhalekai, Maibampally Makok in Thobal district today. Popular Front of India PFI organized the event on the theme Healthy People, Healthy Nation. Yoga and martial arts were demonstrated during the health awareness program held as a part of the main event held at Irong Kuno. The campaign will go on for 15 days for Manipur. Manipur Students Federation MSF held its 21st Foundation Day at Kwakatil Tidim Ground. The year-long China Jubilee celebration celebrated for 20 years completion of the federation also concluded today. Leaders of various civil society organizations and student organizations attended the event.
Mahiroi lubasi 1998 ki khoi ngasi gi numit achida linkhat ki badagi hek linkhat baga yam thuna Manipur gi miyamna ayaba bibiba organization ama waiki Mahiroi lubasi na hek linkhat angai dagi samaj gi tongan ba thokdok singda amadi education gi lamda akhana ma thabak kaya ma tokre madumangna ngasi pawda Manipur gi miyamna Mahiroi lubasida akogi thajaba amadi masine torpa thabak singda mayamna support to lakpagi kenoma kujai makhata na su Mahiroi lubasina Manipur miyam gi interest ta akogi yamna apikpa wakhan khandana amadi akoi education da khari hena thabak torkani haibagi akoi thajaba thamjai.
Chandel District Baptist Fellowship CDBF organized CDBF Children Painting Competition at the conference hall of Moyon Naga Baptist Association MYNBA in Penaching village of Chandel District today. Chandel District Baptist Fellowship, a conglomerate of Anal Naga Baptist Association, Maring Naga Baptist Association, Monsang Naga Baptist Churches Association, Moyon Naga Baptist Association, Aimol Baptist Association, Lamkang Naga Baptist Association, Terao Naga Baptist Association and Chote Baptist Churches Association organized the competition under the aegis of Manipur Baptist Association MBC Peace and Development. Altogether, 25 students from Chandel district participated in the competition. Top 3 winners from the competition will represent Chandel district at the Children Peace Painting Competition, which will be held as a part of the Peace Convention from November 27 to 29 at MBC Imphal. All Manipur Buddhist Association AMBA organized one-day symposium on Dharma for Unity, Peace and Harmony as a part of the 48th Foundation Day being held on All Faiths Meet at Ningomthong Sairom Leirak in Imphal East today. Leaders of Buddhist, Christianity, Hindu, Islam and Sanamahi religion spoke on the topic Dharma for Unity, Peace and Harmony on the occasion. Advisor of Editors Guild A. Mubi acted as moderator of the symposium. Manipuri Sahitya Parisad Ziribam organized Manipuri Poetry Day at Rajaram Mohan Roy Library Hall in Teacher Colony, Ziribam district. Around 20 poets took part in the poetry slam. 2 poetry books, Nukshiba Amasung Ningtam Lanmi, which consisted of 88 poems written by Sinam Tonu and Amang Banong written by Sinam Tonu, were released in the event. Resource person spoke on the life, works and role taken by Manipur's poet Dr. Kamal in the field of Manipur literature on the occasion. Manipur State Kala Academy Imphal and Langmaidong Dramatic Union jointly kicked off 43rd Ka Manipur Drama Festival 2019 at LDU Hall today. Langmaidong Dramatic Union LDU also held its 64th Foundation Day on the occasion. Manitko and Manitron Chairman, who is also the MLA of Yanglam constituency, Dr. Radheshyam Yumnam, LDU Chairman Thongnauzam Ngauba and people of the area attended the event. Floral tributes were also paid to the portrait of the late members of the union, as well as Aribam Nandakishwar Sharma Memorial Award and Gurumayum Tombi Sharma Memorial Award were also conferred on the occasion. 14 theatre groups are competing in the drama festival.
Aiko theatre workshop kaya tawagre dilasan na aiko ting tawag theatre workshop na tawag masak thokpa theatre workshop talising mas mapur humjat rehta Padma Shri Ratan Thiam na pupiyata thama Langmaidong Dramatic Union theatre workshop tawbirami maduna achaubai thellama jopi anamu makhari la taw tambirami praja amanda theatre gi yoksi lagna na loina Tedele artist ilai badara direction dara badara sei badara talented youngsters in sigi makhong sumba makoi thubat bagi pandamam suwai.
Leanda Folk and Classical Academy, along with All Manipur Arts and Culture Students Guardian Association, jointly observed Guru Puja ceremony at Manipur Jagoi Marub Hall in Lamboi Khongnangkhong today. Speaking at the event, Pradhan Guru of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Rajkumar Nabindra, emphasized the importance for the students to show respect towards their parents and teachers. He asserted that the event aimed to uphold and maintain the behavior and integrity for a disciplined society.
Mayam Tilokana Maki Tananga, Sigmako Tazan gives you labor, those Jago say to very Bokona Motomda, without Gurus in Open Puzato Zerava, or Raji Kurumaga, or Ragi to Ilaka, with Tabak to Pato say. Ozaka Gava have a say. Horriva, culture the Kondara Angang Sunda, when Ozaguru have a say, Kawea de Ozagurugi, Manga Pandori, Akoji, Mi Oiroi. ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯅꯕꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯒꯨꯔꯨ ꯄꯨꯖꯥꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ.
Renowned Manipuri actor Gurumayam Boni Sharma inaugurated a domestic store at Olympia Shopping Complex in Chingmairong today. Pillow, cushion, bedsheet, mattress cover and other bedroom and living room items as well as special pillows for those who are suffering from neck and back pain as well as migraine are made available in the store. Kosi Domestic CEO Dheeraj Gupta and proprietor of the store Monica Gurumayam attended the event.
Pillows ayambana khogi medical term related oiba any like khogi stress gumba degi even the child memory fagatnaba adu gumba the more emphasis piba khogi pillows the different types of pillow lay according to the different type of client aduga khoina pillows yon ba matam da client dugi kana baze karino high darkar lay ze karino high baze akhoina adugi keno ze taraga feedback se taraga akhoina adu the sales togadaba adu akhoina pillow yon gadaba nate magi nungai tabaze mana kaino pami se haiba monje mawongdo aduda akoina aduda sales toba.
600 senior citizens of Thoubal Municipal Council Ward Number 1 were presented gifts in an event organized by Nauba Trust Thoubal Okram at Thoubal Okram Lampak Community Hall today. Toppers of Class 10, 12, Bachelor in Arts and People for Animal Manipur were also felicitated on the occasion. Members of newly formed United Development Committee Wabagai constituency along with residents of the area planted more than 3,000 tree saplings at 8 different places of the constituency today. The places are Sekmajin, Hayel Hangul, Santhel, Uchiwa, Kelakong, Haibong Makong, Irong Chesava and Irong Kuno. Speaking on the sidelines, convener of UDC Wabagai constituency, social worker Mohammad Riazuddin Aribam asserted that the newly formed committee aimed for a peace and developed state and to provide assistance to the destitute people of the state. Brand ambassador of Chief Minister's Green Manipur Mission, Ilangbam Valentina, also took part in the event. Now the sports news. Thougdam Network bagged the championship title of the first Pointrex Cup today. Pointrex Educational Solution Private Limited organized the 8th A-side football tournament Pointrex Cup specially for IT private companies and institutions. The football tournament organized on the theme Good Health and Stress Relieving was held at Jumthang Sanapung Artificial Turf Ground in Langthabal Pura Makong since yesterday. During the first semi-final match played today, Dina Institute defeated ABC Institute by 1-0. During the second semi-final match, Thoudam Network defeated Pointrex Team A 4-0. During the final match, Thoudam Network dropped Dina Institute 1-0 and won the trophy certificate along with cash award of 25,000 rupees. Y. Ranady of Dina Institute bagged the Best Player Award, while Johnson of Pointrex Team A got Best Goalkeeper Award. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Mera Hauktomba Festival celebrates with religious fervor and gaiety across the state, attended by both hills and valley residents. A memorandum of intent to build mutual business cooperation in cooperative sectors was signed between Corporation Minister Nimcha Kipgen and Secretary of Republic of Bangladesh Mohammad Ghayasuddin Ahmad. An indefinite band called by residents and Kuki CSOs of Moray against a frequent bomb blast by unknown miscreants at Moray town resumes from 9 this morning.